Hello viewers, let's solve this nice radical expression. So from this expression we have the square root of x plus the square root of 4x minus 3 all is equal to 3. Now solution, we have from our question the square root of x plus square root of 4x minus 3 equal to 3. And here, first thing, we have to square both sides. We have squared and squared. So this square will take out the square root, and we have x plus square root of 4x minus 3, and this will give us 9. Now from here we bring this x to the right hand side in order to isolate the radical expression. We bring this x to the right hand side to isolate the radical expression. So we have square root of 4x minus 3 equal to 9 minus x. So we note that we are dealing with square root, that is 9 minus x should be greater or equal to 0, which implies that x will be less than or equal to 9. This also implies that our expression in the radical square root of 4x minus 3 should be greater or equal to 0, such that x will be greater or equal to 3 over 4, whereby the domain of x will lie between 3 over 4 less or equal to x less or equal to 9. So now let's go back to our solution. So where we have our expression square root of 4x minus 3 equal to 9 minus x. So we square both sides, square then square. So this becomes 4x minus 3 equal to this expression 9 minus x into bracket power 2. So we expand the right hand side, and that gives us 4x minus 3 will be equal to x squared minus 18x then plus 81. From here, all the expression at the right hand side, we move it to the left hand side. So that gives us 4x minus 3 then minus x squared plus 18x plus 18x then minus 81, all will be equal to 0. If we simplify all this, then we have x squared, that's minus x squared, and this gives us 22, that's plus 22x then minus 81 equal to 0. If we multiply through by minus 1, we have x squared minus 22x plus 81 equal to 0. This quadratic equation, we need to solve for x. We need to solve for x in this quadratic equation. So we use the quadratic formula, which implies x equal to minus into brackets minus 22 into close the bracket plus or minus square root of minus 22 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 84. So don't forget, this is supposed to be 84. Okay, so we have all over 2. Everything all over 2. And this, we simplify this, we have x will be equal to 22 plus or minus square root of 484, then minus 336 over 2. 484 minus 336 will give us 22 plus or minus square root of 148 over 2 equal to x. Then we can simplify this radical. We have that to be x will be equal to 22 plus or minus square root of 4 multiplied by 37 over 2, and that can be separated as 22 plus or minus square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 37 over 2, and square root of 4 is given as 22 plus or minus 2 multiplied by square root of 37 over 2. This will give us 1, this 11, and that is x equal to 11 plus or minus square root of 37. So let's check for our domain. Our domain implies 3. Our domain implies 3 over 4 is less or equal to x less or equal to 9. Now the value of x equal to 11 plus or minus square root of 37. Now at x equal to 11 plus square root of 37, does it satisfy the domain? So here this can be approximately written as 11 plus the square root of 37 can be given as 6.08, and this is equal to, if we add this together, we have 17.08. So this is rejected. This is rejected. Why? Because this has gone beyond the domain of x. It is more than 9. So we test for the other value of x to see whether it satisfies this domain. Our domain is 3 over 4 less or equal to x less or equal to 9. So at x equal to 11 minus square root of 37, this is approximately written as 11 . minus 6.08, which is equal to 4.92, which is the value of x. It implies that this value can be found between this domain, which means this value is accepted. So this value is accepted while the other one is rejected or discarded. So we discard that because it does not fall between the domain. Continue watching the next video to continue improving your skills in this type of question. Then we meet in the another nice lesson. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this video, and we meet in the next lesson.